Hi there, Mark Carlson here. So this week's video, how do you avoid the thing that you don't want? Think about this. When drivers are being taught the advanced level of driving, one of the things that they're taught, is how to avoid an accident. And what most people do when they can see they're going to crash is they keep looking at the thing that they're going to crash into and inevitably crash into it. So what the driving instructors do in these advanced driving classes, they grab hold of the head and have you turn and look at the road again. Look at the road where you're driving. And now remember, energy goes where attention flows, right? So wherever my attention is, energy is going to go there every single time. So this is so important that you recognize what you're thinking, because if you're thinking things like, I don't want to be this, I don't like it that it's this, right? Then your focus is on what you don't like. So when I was younger and had no money at all, my focus was on not having enough money. Everything was that I don't have enough money. So I just literally, without realizing it, validated that in everything that I did. So it was always true that I don't have enough money because that's where my focus was. Right. So you have to change that focus. When I realized that, I started telling people everything's getting much better. Now that I used to say, now that I don't have to worry about money. And they would think that I'd won the pools, I'd won the lottery or something. But I just made a decision not to worry about it anymore and start focusing on having it. And over time, that's what happens because I redirected my focus. Now, you can do this with anything, but you've got to be, the first step is that you've got to be aware of, what am I thinking? Am I thinking and am I looking and focusing on what I want, and am I doing it daily? That's why your internal visualization is so powerful, so important, that you look regularly at what you want and what you're driving towards, so that unconsciously things work for you to be able to attain that, to make it real, right? It has to happen on the inside before it happens on the outside. But be careful what you look at. Be careful what you're complaining about. If you've got a regular complaint about something in your life, you'll manifest more of that because your energy is going to that. So you've got to be careful. What are you focusing on? And make sure your focus daily is something that you're working toward, that becomes reality for you eventually, and that is benefiting you by you focusing on it. Have an absolutely fantastic day when you watch this. I look forward to talking to you again next time. Thank you so much.